Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your gas door that won't shut on this 2008 BMW 328i. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'll also have affiliate links in the description below. Okay, this is what we're dealing with here. Your gas door won't stay closed. So to fix this, first thing we need to do is just remove this little rubber boot right here. Just like that. And then this, we are just going to pull down and then pull up and out. It's just held on by these little clips right here. So we got a new one right here. You can see this thing is junk. No click. Perfect. I will have an affiliate link in the description where you can get a new one of these. To reinstall this, just reinstall your boot over top of this and then push it in. Boom, there we go. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.